First, spray the film and door with installation solution and apply it to the door according to its shape. After that, we should squeegee from the center outwards towards both sides on the upper section of the door. Then, squeegee downwards from top to bottom on the lower section of the door. When working on the side skirts, we wet the side skirts with water and squeegee them along the lines of the door. Use a utility knife to cut along the edges and then peel the leftover film off. Do the door handles in the same way. This door is now installed. Repeat this process for the entire vehicle.